The noise menu is where you can see the accumulation of all noise being picked up by the coaxial wiring of a home. Let's go into the noise menu. The idea behind this menu is that you connect that at the outside of a house with nothing inside the house turned on. Then any cuts in the cable or breaks in the cable will show up as noise. This noise has the effect of degrading the internet performance of your cable modem. Most cable companies want to see this noise below -30. As you can see right now, the Signal Scout is measuring no noise. I will turn on the noise source. You'll see now we are measuring -30 and still passing. A little higher, now we are failing. You can also use the speaker if you're not right at the Signal Scout to watch it. And as the noise goes up, so does the speaker tone. This is very useful when you're trying to find a problem.